So I gave you guys a quick teaser of this dish in my 3-layered paratha video. And this dish is going to be a really simple Punjabi Paneer Bhurji. Let's get started. Now this dish is very similar in certain elements to my favorite masala cheese toast and my favorite egg bhurji. You can find the links to that from my website in the description box down below. So start by heating up some ghee on a pan on medium heat and then add in your cumin seeds, green chilies and ginger. Add your onions as well, give it a really good mix, and then you want to cook this until it softens. Add a bit of salt to really help quicken up that cooking process. Then once the onions have softened, add in all of your tomatoes, give it a really good mix, and then add in your dried spices. So your turmeric, red chili powder, ground coriander and some more salt to help break down those tomatoes. Now while these tomatoes are getting broken down, let's focus on our paneer. So I will be finely grating my paneer and it's gonna have a really nice fluffy texture. And paneer is just so great because for me at least, if I have a paneer dish, I don't really miss meat because it's just so special. It's creamy and cheesy and it's solid so you can roast it. And this is great in this dish. Paneer is just amazing. You have to have paneer if you haven't had it before. And once you've completely grated it and the tomatoes have broken down, which looks a bit like this, add your paneer into your pan and give it a really good mix. And then finish it with some freshly chopped cilantro. Now if you want, you can add in a pinch of garam masala as well, but I really wanted it to be mildly spiced, so I omitted that. Now I do go along and make some delicious paneer patties with this dish, so stay tuned for that video when that drops really soon. But for now, I'm gonna enjoy this bhurji with that paratha which I told you about from earlier. And this is going to be really good with any of your favorite breads. Personally, I wouldn't have it with rice. This would go really well with any of your favorite breads. If you want more videos just like this one, be sure to hit subscribe and hit that bell icon. I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.